One of the things that I hope that people think about when they think about Earth Day is not only the big global issues, but also what we have in our backyards and how we can act locally. While conservation of intact ecosystems is incredibly important, there's a lot of degraded ecosystems that humans have had a lot of negative impacts on over time. And there's a huge push to do a lot of ecological restoration at these sites. One of the things I really try to do in all of my research is ask applied questions about conservation and restoration. How do new plant communities in urban areas develop following restoration? How do we assess whether ecological restoration is successful? I'm Marlyse Duguid. I'm faculty at Yale School of the Environment. This is an amazing site right here. I'm in New Haven in a very urban area. We're right next to a very busy through road. There's a pharmacy right on the corner, an apartment building on the other side, and we are in a little urban oasis. In 2016, a collaboration between the New Haven Land Trust, Save the Sound Connecticut Fund for the Environment, as well as some of the local municipalities got together and were able to fund a dam removal, with the main goal being wetland connectivity for a number of fish, but also to protect upstream land from flooding. One of the side effects is that we have a whole new chunk of land. Right where I'm standing was underwater. So I'm looking and coming back to measure every single tree and identify every single plant to see how new plant communities develop over time. That's part of why I like to work with local conservation and restoration organizations to try to collect the type of data that might help them answer to funding agencies or design future projects to understand, is this forest that's growing up, is it giving us the ecological function we want? If not, what could we do differently to help increase those outcomes in the future in our restoration projects? Having that sort of ecosystem that wasn't here before, being able to restore these ecosystems in our neighborhoods, in our towns, is an important tool we have to help have reciprocity with the earth to help rebuild things that we've broken.